And as the government gears up to bring the bill to ban private cryptocurrencies, top industry body, that is the Confederation of Indian Industry, has come up with a set of recommendations. Now, CII says that the crypto tokens should be treated as securities of a special class to which the provisions of existing securities regulations will not apply, and instead a new set of regulations should be evolved. CII also bats for setting up a centralized exchange, and custody providers and government can also consider a standing advisory council. Those are the details. Hina is joining us for more details here. Hina, of course, there's still, the jury is out on what exactly are the contents of the bill, but these are recommendations made by the CII at this point in time.
Well, that's right. It's the first statement we have got from CII, which represents industry in the country, on what should government's view be on the issue of cryptocurrencies. Remember, in the current session of Parliament, we are awaiting a bill on cryptos and a digital currency of the RBI. And as the information that has been coming out so far, as per sources, Avni, that we've been reporting as well on Mirror Now, that there is a possibility that the government may ban crypto, or, there could be a jail term as well for violators. So just one day after that, the statement by CII is very, very important. One, if you look at the full statement, it seems to suggest that the CII is of the view, instead of banning crypto, industry overall or cryptocurrencies, it says that the government should consider treating crypto or digital tokens as securities of a special class, which is again, something that many experts have also pointed to, that instead of considering it as a currency, it should be treated as an asset class. So that's what they have mentioned. And CII is also saying that a new set of regulations appropriate to the context of crypto or digital currency and their jurisdiction-less, decentralized character should be evolved and applied. Apart from this, of course, there needs to be a regulatory focus as well on dealing and custody rather than issuance. So in a way, now industry body is also trying to suggest to the government there is a need to talk to the stakeholders before taking any kind of a decision on crypto. But we'll see what the government really does in this regard. Soon the bill is expected. Earlier we were hearing that in yesterday's cabinet meeting, the bill was likely to come, but that didn't happen because it has to be cleared by the cabinet first before it goes to the parliament. So all eyes, of course, are going to be on next week's cabinet meeting, whether that comes or not. But here, industry is also quite concerned and has given these fresh set of recommendations to the government.
All right, Hina, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.